doing science, making things and breaking things down. Chemicals inside the test tubes, and you mix them all up.
So yeah, today we are doing a video, and the reason why, because I just got 30 subscribers. So I'm really excited, so that's why I started doing this. And this is called the Discovery Glowing Lava in Motion Jar. Basically, it's a lava lamp. Let's do this. Okay, so there's a lava lamp thing. This is backwards. And my mom marked these out. Thanks, Mom. And I'm going to have to fill the water up to this fill line and then fill the rest with oil to this fill line. Oh, what else? And a giant poster. A really big poster. Try to hang this in my arm. And the directions say that we're going to need water, vegetable oil, and 3 AA batteries. Mom got that covered. And prepare my work area. Safety glasses for safety. And I'll need a glowing bubble light jar. And fizzing tap. Wait. Yeah. These things. There's 3. And again it says water and vegetable oil. And yeah. Let's do this.
Like sugar and spice, you know. Now hear this. Now hear this. Now hear this.
I like it when the bass goes boom and shakes everything in the room. I like it when the bass goes boom and shakes everything in the room. I like it when the bass goes boom. I like it when the bass goes boom. The Maverick makes the bass go boom. The Maverick makes the bass go boom.
2, 1.
Guys, look at the circle. This is cool. I think after once the fizzing tablet is done, because I can see the I think I can see the chemical reaction. Kinda. We're not gonna follow the directions, and I'm gonna add one more, and I might add another one if it does nothing. Take that. Oh, whoa! Let's go. Ah, jeez. Let's do this. This is what it gets. Whoa! That's cool. It's like rockets. Choo! That's cool. Whoa! Look at the water on the top.
Yes, I am.
It says, "Do not buy food. Do not eat. Eye internet. Avoid contact with eyes. Not to be used by children without adult supervision." And this also says 12 and up. Well, guess what, Internet? I'm 10. Okay, still looks like it's a fire. Okay, guys. This hasn't been promising. Looks cool, but what happens when I stir it? Whoa. Kind of looks like a blue tornado from my angle.
I like it when the bass goes boom and shakes everything in the room.
What is that?
I like it when the bass goes boom.
Whoa, it doesn't even feel like anything.
And shakes everything in the room. I like it when the
One
bass
second, I
goes boom. I like it.
Time to rate this. So I rate this 5 stars, but the directions 2 stars, only because if you don't follow the directions, it looks way cooler. And if you add all the tablets in, it has an amazing effect and all the colors change to the thing. But what I find annoying is, look at that. It looks good. And then on the front, it looks extremely good. I'll also rate the poster 5 stars because I like it a lot, but I don't know why. But when you start, it looks like a blue tornado if you look at the bottom. I'll do it again, just in case you didn't see. Look at the purple thing right there, and it kind of looks like a tornado, sand dust thing. Oh, whoa, just that big bubble just dropped. Whoa, no. What? Vegetable oil just smells like nothing. This mixture smells like nothing and feels like nothing. Okay, guys, bye. And also, thank you for 30 subscribers! There's gonna be a subtitle right there. There's 30 subscribers. Yay! Goodbye!